Today is the day I've been waiting for my entire life. I have been wanting some New Balance VISIONRACERs, JADENSMITH's collab with New Balance, since he dropped the wavy blue ones. Those are my dream shoes. I cannot find them. You can find them online, but they're like extremely expensive and I'm not willing to pay that. And I just hate that I missed out on getting them, but it's whatever because now I have some in my possession. They're not the wavy blue ones, but they're a close second and I'm so excited to unbox these shoes. So yes, I'm going to be unboxing 2 pairs of New Balance VISIONRACERs. They're from Champs. Each pair were $150, so I paid $300 for 2 pairs of shoes. That's my cap though. I will never pay over $150 for a pair of shoes. That's just me personally. I got the gray ones and the white summer ones. I don't know the name, the technical name of it, but I'm itching. Let's open these. Oh my gosh. Okay, first thing I see is an invoice. Oh, I cannot. I cannot. I don't know which pair this is yet. The other pair. Same box. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me open these. This is my first time seeing these shoes with my eyes. I have never seen anybody around me wear these. I've only seen people wear them like online. I'm gonna assume that these are the white ones. I don't know, I just have a feeling. Oh, wrong. Oh my gosh, these shoes are, they look huge. They better fit. I got a size 8 in men's, which I think translates to a 9.5 in women's, and that's the size I wear. These are fire. I did not know it had like the blue. Do you see it yet? Yes, I see the freaking vision. I have to put these on right now. Here's the other shoe. Oh my gosh. $150. And I love shoes that give me height. I'm not that tall. I go out of my way to buy platform shoes. So it comes with 2 different laces, gray and white. They're a little big, just a little tiny big, but they have laces, so I'm just gonna tighten it. It's gonna be a whole try on portion, like shots and stuff, but these shoes are so comfortable. It feels like I'm like walking on a mattress. I'm walking on a mattress. They look so good. Let's open the summertime ones. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These look so much brighter in person. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. These are too cute and it comes with pink laces. Oh, I might have to put the pink laces on. The pink is giving. Here's the other one. And these are made out of recycled materials. It's the freaking details for me. Oh, these are fire. We run the city in these Vision laces. I'm like in awe right now. Same thing, I got these in an 8, men's 8, 9.5 women's. I might have to put these pink laces on them.